discuss the constitutional provisions relating to the official language of the Union and the states. Ans. According to Article 343(1) of the Constitution, the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. However, the form of numericals to be used for the official purposes of the Union shall be International Form of Indian Numericals. Article 343(2) provides that for a period of 15 years from the commencement of the Constitution, the English language shall continue to be used for all the official purposes of the Union. Even during this period of 15 years, the President may authorize the use of the Hindi language in addition to the English language and of the Devanagari form of numericals for any of the official purposes of the Union. Article 343 lays down that Parliament may, by law, provide for the use, after the said period of 15 years, of a. the English language, b. the Devanagari form of numerals, for such purposes as may be specified in law. Article 343. Official language of states. The legislature of a state may, by law, adopt any one or more of the languages in use in the state or Hindi as the language or languages to be used for all or any of the official purpose of the state. Until the legislature of the state otherwise provides by law, the English language shall continue to be used for those official purposes within the state for which it was being used immediately before the commencement of this Constitution. Art. 345.